Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest stock pick details. Friends, we picked Electra Green Tech, friends, which is a pioneer in electric bus manufacturing and insulators in India. Friends, going forward on solar manufacturing side and their distribution side, we can expect some demand on insulators and PM FAME 2 and FAME. Under these schemes, every state can has to use electric buses. Under these, we can expect there is a growing demand all over the states in India to use electric vehicles, electric buses, and electrical vehicles also. Why? Because they are giving some subsidies and some benefits on using electric vehicles. So, friends, under this we pick Electra Green Tech. Why? This is the only company which was listed in this sector, and there are few companies which are manufacturing electric buses but which are not listed in NSE BSE. And Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, and NTPC also having some subsidiary companies, and Tata Motors recently acquired a total stack in that electric bus manufacturing company. Why? They are know that there is a long road for these companies, so that's why Tata Motors completely acquired that company and make it as a wholly subsidiary of Tata Motors. And Ashok Leyland also having some bus manufacturing subsidiaries, and NTPC also having some subsidiary company to manufacture electric bus vehicles. But this Electra Green Tech is going forward having good number of order book also. Compared to last year, this year its order book increased by 50 to 60%, and it has an manufacturing capacity of 2000 units per year, and they are investing more like 3300 crores to increase their capacity. And friends, it's a subsidiary company of MEIL Holding Limited, and this company have five subsidiary companies. Under these five subsidiary companies, few are solar side and one company under telecom side. These two companies attracts me a lot, and recently it came as the L1 bidder for supply of 353 electric buses for 5 states. And friends, going forward, it also participate and this tender value as 600 crores. And friends, it also supplies 300 electric buses to Dehradun, 150 to Surat, 25 to Silvassa. And friends, going forward, this FAME 2 under government scheme total supply of 5595 buses throughout the India. Under this, I think Electra is a major player in this sector, so it will acquire around 20% of the share in this 5595. Among these, we can expect a good revenue in coming days. I am expecting this stock will reach 200 nearby, and present it is trading at 135 around like that. And I already mentioned to my followers in Telegram about this at 100 rupees itself, and I am seeing the movement of the stock and how it will move on bloodbath times like market falls and how its recovery. And after looking all these, I am expecting this is a good stock to enter, and going forward the demand for electric vehicles also high, and there is a chance to supply all vehicles as electric vehicles, like cargo vehicles also can move into electric vehicles. So we can think in a positive way, or any large company will buy this Electra Green Tech Limited for if it gets a good value. That's based on MEIL Holding Limited. If they got a good value, they will sold this company to any other company. And Tesla also entering into India early 2021, said by Nitin Gadkari sir. So we can expect on a large scale, and it signed an agreement with Telangana government to supply electric vehicles also, and they didn't disclose the value, but each bus values around 1.5 crore to 2 crores. It's not a easy thing. Why? Because it has an advanced technologies like regenerative braking systems, like which generates electrical energy while applying brakes, which converts kinetic energy into electrical energy. You already know that we cannot neither destroy nor create an electrical energy which transfers from one form to another form. So with this, it just transforms kinetic energy into electrical energy and stores in battery, and again it uses that energy for driving the vehicle and like motor. So friends, it has some advantages, and on a whole, for an diesel vehicle uh, to to run 55 rupees per kilometer every government using, and 12 rupees for conductor salary, total it becomes 67 rupees. But these electric vehicles can give only 44 rupees per kilometer without electricity, that means their own electricity like that, and 52 kilometers with electricity. So it is very good, right? So that's why they are giving like tenders, and the maintenance and everything has to look after by the main company itself. So like this, we expect a good revenue generation going forward for this company, and we can expect a long run like 3 years, 2 years, like that in this company. So market falls, all these things will one day, 2 day, nothing. After that we have to move on. So friends, long term investment will give you good benefits on stock market. So thank you friends, thank you very much for subscribing my channel. Please share my channel. Thank you.